is less than 3, GIF of x plus 1 if x is between 2 and 4, and x squared minus 35 over x minus 5 if x is less than 4. Tapos, i-analyze natin itong GIF of x plus 1, tsaka ito, rational function ito. At nakuha natin ito. So, modifying f. Okay, class. Take note ang ginagamit natin yung word dito modify, hindi yung redefine. Kasi yung redefine, i-represent natin yung pag-removable. Pero pag ito, modify gamitin natin. So, nakuha natin dito ay 4x minus 5 if x is less than 2. Tapos ito, ano yung mga value niya? It would be 3 if x is between 2 and 2, 3. Okay. Tapos, 4 if x is between 3 and 4. Tama ba? Ito yung nakuha natin. Okay. Tapos ito naman ay x plus 5 if x is greater than or equal to 4, but x is not equal to 5. Yan. So, mula dito, ito yung nakuha natin f of x. Okay, how are we going to test for kung continuous mo itong function na to at every point na gusto nyo gagawin? Kukunin natin mga tinatawag, hahanapin natin mga points of discontinuity niya. So, we will have what we call possible points of discontinuity. Or PPD for short. Or minsan PPD. So, ano yung mga possible points of discontinuity? Sinabi, kapag ganito ang itsura ng ano mo, ganito ang itsura, ang mga possible points of discontinuity mo ay kung saan pwede maging undefined yung function mo at kung saan nagiging integer yung GIF mo. Medyo ang daming kailangan alalahanin pag gano'n. At saka kung ano yung mga endpoints. So, ang daming kailangan alalahanin. Itong endpoint, ito. O di ba ganyan, kung i-modify nyo siya, ang meron lang sa'yo ay 4x minus 5. Linear to. 3 is a constant number, 4 is a constant number, x plus 5 is a linear function. Alam natin itong apat na ito, kung hindi rin titignan itong mga to, all of these are, well, wala silang points kung saan sila undefined. At the same time, wala kayong GIF. Hindi na kailangan kasi kasuhin sa magiging integer yan. So, ano na ang magiging problema natin? Mga endpoints na lang. So dito, maraming issues na na-reduce natin siya sa issue na lang sa endpoints. So ano yung mga endpoints? 2, 3, 4, and of course, isama natin ito. So, mag-test na tayo. Okay, letter A. At x is equal to 2. The-test natin kung continuous ba dito or hindi. So, ano yung unang hanapin natin? First one, f of 2. I-evaluate natin. Ano ang f of 2? F of 2 would be, dahil when x equal to 2, you get your f of 2 is 3. Tapos, ano yung pangalawa? Limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left. Okay. Kung na-approach ni x yung mula sa kaliwa, ano pipiliin natin functional value ng f of x? So it would be 4x minus 5. So we'll have here limit of 4x minus 5 as x approaches 2 from the left. What do we get here? So ito 2 from the left. Dahil polynomial na naman yan, substitute na yung 4 times 2 minus 5 we get here. 8 minus 5 is this. Okay, so far so good. Okay, hindi ba tayo sa 2? limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. So kung 2 from the right, ano naman ngayon ang itsura ni f of x? Limit of, so 2 from the right, ano pipili natin functional value f of x? It would be 3. So limit of 3 as x approaches 2 from the right. We get here, this would be 3. At dahil itong dalawang ito ay equal, what can we say? Therefore, limit of f of x as x approaches 2. Wala namang plus or minus, this is equal to 3. And finally, I think third criteria. Third criteria, equal ba kung dalawang ito? So, limit of f of x as x approaches 2. Is this equal to f of 2? Yes. Kasi ito ay 3, ito ay 3. Therefore, what do we conclude? Therefore, f is continuous at x is equal to. Okay. So yung book phrase, continuous at x is equal to. So tapos na to. Now we move on to letter B. At x is equal to 3. Okay, so notice matabaho talaga ang probabilities. Ano yung unang f? F of 3. Ano ang f of 3? F of 3 is 4. Pangalawa, limit of f of x as x approaches 3 from the left. Okay, kung 3 from the left, limit of, so kung 3 from the left, ano pipilihan yung functional value? It will be this one, kasi 3 from the left. So it will be limit of 3 as x approaches 3 from the left, and is equal to 3. Now, from the right naman, limit of f of x as x approaches 3 from the right. We get here, limit of, ano pipiliin natin? Yung 4, kasi 3 from the right, so 4. 4, as x approaches 3 from the right, we get here, 4. And what do you notice here? Limit of f of x as x approaches 3 from the right is not equal to limit of f of x as x approaches 3 from the right. Ito ay 3, ito ay 4. At dahil nag-e-exist naman, hindi sila equal, what do we have? This is f has a discontinuity, tama? Has a discontinuity. Discontinuity at x is equal to 3. Pero ano po na discontinuity na ito yan? Movable, jump, or infinity? It would be jump. Bakit? Kasi, ano yung pakialam natin? Yung limit, basta nag-e-exist, tas hindi equal, wala tayong pakialam dito. So, hindi natin ito papakialaman natin. Ito lang titignan lang natin. So, we have here a jump. Or, yung kumpletong term na jump essential. Or minsan, yung na yan, jump is complete. Or jump essential is complete. Okay. Next, letter C. Letter C at x is equal to 4. Okay. Ano yung una? F of 4. What is f of 4? F of 4 would be, sa ating evaluate, it's x plus 5. So we get there 4 plus 5, we get 9. Okay, pangalawa. F of, tama pala, 4 naman pala, tama. Limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left. ano ang magiging itsura ni f of x kung 4 from the left? It would be 4. Tapos x approaches 4 from the left. We get here 4. On the other hand, yung limit naman ni f of x as x approaches 4 from the right. Ano ang limit or ano ang functional value nito? So 4 from the right, it would be x plus 5. As x approaches 4 from the right, what do we get? We get here 4 plus 5, which is 9. And again, these two are not equal. Pero nag-exist yung limit. Therefore, what do we have? Oo. Nag-exist. Dito wala na may pakialam dyan. So we have here, f, again, has a jump. Essential discontinuity at x is equal to 1. Okay. Any questions so far? At ang pinakahuli, 5. Let's have your 5. F of 5. Anong f of 5? F of 5? Undefined. Bakit siya undefined? Kasi, anong domain nito? Ang domain nito, kukunin mo lang yung union. Kapag kinuha mo yung union ng lahat ng mga intervals na yan, kukuha mo lang ng real numbers, pero tatanggalin mo si 5. So, ang domain ito ay equal sa all real except 5. So, ibig sabihin, hindi define si f in 5. So, wala talaga tayo kung 5. Okay? So, class ito mag-iigan na baka bigay niyo 5 plus 5, 10. Again, undefined tayo. Okay? Limit of f of x as x approaches 5 from the left. So, kung 5 from the left, alin ang pipiliin natin functional value? So, ito si yung x plus 5. So, we get the limit of x plus 5 as x approaches 5 from the left. Anong maupunga na? So, ina-approach pa lang naman niya, we get here 5 plus 5, we get here 10. Samantalang yung limit naman ng f of x as x approaches 5 mula sa kanan, we get here limit. Anong functional value? It would be x plus 5 pa rin. Kasi yung 5, nandito naman siya interval na ito. So we get here, as x approaches 5 from the right, we still get here 5 plus 5, which is so these two are equal. Therefore, what do we do? Limit now f of x as x approaches 5 is equal to 10. Now, what do we have here? Anong meron tayo? Okay. So, ano yung pangatlo? Dumidiretso lang tayo sa pangatlo kapag nag-exist yung limit ha. Ito kahit undefined to, okay lang. Basta nag-exist yung limit, tas equal sila, diretso tayo sa pangatlo. Ano meron tayo? Limit of f of x as x approaches 5 equal ba ito sa f of 5? Yes or no? No, hindi. Kasi ito undefined. Ito 10, ito ay undefined. Ano ang meron tayo ngayon? Therefore, f has a, may discontinuity pa rin, pero anong tawag ng discontinuity na ito? Removable. dahil may removable tayo, we can redefine our function. So, paano i-redefine? So, kailangan na daw yung value sa 5 ng f natin equals sa bigay. So, redefine f. Okay? Pag nag-redefine yung f, balik kayo dun sa original function natin, yung hindi pa natin kinakalas yung GIF. So, dahil redefine f to, nagamit yung computation, pwede ko small g, small h, basta different letter na sa small s. With capital F. Capital F of x is equal to, okay, ano yung taas natin? 4x minus 5. This one will be if x is greater than, if x is, if x is less than 2, tapos GIF ni x plus 1 if x is between 2 and 4, tapos x squared minus 25 over x minus 5 if x is greater than or equal to 4, tapos isisingit ito. Kasi nag-redefine tayo, nagkakaproblema tayo sa x equal to 5, di ba? So isisingit ito ngayon. X should not be equal to 5. Tapos dahil sinigit yan, para yung dagdag bawas, so kapag nag-multiply kayo ng numerator, kailangan multiply ng denominator para equal sa 1 pa rin. Para rationalization concept. So, tinanggal niya, kailangan ibalik siya. X is equal to 5. Pero dapat ano yung value niya kapag x is equal to 5? Gusto natin equal sa million. So, this should be okay, inakisi ito naman siya. So, nakagin ito naman. So, if x is equal to 5, we get it. Kadalasan dito ang issue ng functional value. X is equal to something, tapos numerical value. Hindi to determine numerical value. Any questions so far about how to redefine? Or so kaya mag-check ng continuity or redefinition?
Sir.
Yes.
What kinanswer yung F of 3 was for letter D? Letter D.
Okay, saan? Ito ko yung hindi ito chicken. Gunaret dito. Okay lang. Yung kanya, sa limit, sana nga pala class continuity test, kahit since dalawa ko na nyo, pwedeng ito ako na ninyo para makita nyo agad kung jump pa agad. Para hindi na pala kailangan itong iso. Pwede nyo. Gunahin nyo itong iso. Minsan mas magandang strategy. Okay? Kasi huli na lang. Pero yung ito talaga, yung pangatlo, syempre check mo, ito talaga yung panghuli lagi. Kasi hindi mo yung quality. Okay? Hindi na makalas lahat. So, medyo lumakas yung ilan. Anyway, after itong last lesson natin sa continuity, medyo pabawasan ko yung mga those. Kasi, hindi ko mapapawasan ka. Baka magkaroon tayo ng mga days na walang pasok. Hindi dahil gusto ko walang pasok, dahil hindi ko magkakaroon ng lulat. So imagine yung magkakaroon ng pag-visit. 2 to 3 days tayo. 2 days na walang pasok, ilang meetings yun? 6 na meetings yung mawawala doon. So, kailangan natin condense ng content. Mabawasan din na rin yung mga sa application, siguro hindi na ako masyadong gano'n yung mga authorities surrounding hinahabol siya ng grabe. Bawasan natin ang confusion. Okay. Any questions so far about this one? Teka lang ha. Dito muna itong mga sigat. Pause for natin.